the public schools. Marami po yan. Nandiyan lang po sila. Palakpakan po natin. Of course, the Boy Scouts of the Philippines. They are also here with us, and the Girl Scouts of the Philippines. Girl Scouts, the private school. I've seen Madam Narciso here, the former president of our Alay Lakad. Also with us today are the representatives from the government sector. Government sector representatives, palakpakan po natin ang sarili natin. Kapag walang palakpak, meaning wala sila dito. Of course, nandiyan din po yung mga LMCP students from Humayga University. Malakas ang palakpak, meaning marami sila ngayon.